Hello YouTubers, Ricardo here in my study. If you have watched my 5 videos on the GR131 across Lanzarote, you will note that unlike others on the YouTube, we did not opt to backpack it. We did it from a base in an apartment we rented in Arrecife. In each video there is an explanation of how we got to the start and back at the end of the walk. If you plan to do the walk in the same way, the following might be useful.
The Canary Islands are of volcanic origin. Each has aspects from the walking point of view that provide a different walking experience. The GR131 is a long distance path that runs through all the 7 main islands. Being situated close to Africa, in the bottom right of this picture, the islands are influenced by the proximity to the Sahara. Lanzarote is the nearest to Africa and the furthest north. It is volcanically active, barren and dotted with past eruptions. Because it has no parallel in Europe, it is a very interesting place to walk. The GR131 is well waymarked, but ensure that you have the necessary maps because clouds can envelop the higher areas. The airport is just southwest of the capital Arrecife. Cesar Manrique Lanzarote Airport, to give it its full title, is located 5 kilometers from Arrecife. It is named after a famous Lanzarote architect and designer. The majority of the airport traffic is from Europe, with the UK and Germany accounting for more than 60% of international traffic. National traffic is concentrated in traffic from 3 destinations: Gran Canaria, Madrid and Tenerife North. Over 8 million passengers come through the airport every year. After passing through customs and out into the main terminal, go right and out of the building. Just outside is this bus stop. Buses go to Playa Blanca southwest along the coast or northeast to Arrecife. The overhead display will give you the next bus arrivals. The bus will take cash but have small notes, €10 or less. You will need to put the hold luggage into the hold of the coach. When deciding where to stay, choose to be within the main ring road, clearly shown on this picture. There is plenty of choice, and Booking.com has a wide range of options in different price ranges. One of the main attractions is the beach, along which runs the Avenue Fred Olsen. When coming from the airport, you have 2 main options as to where to get off. There is a very prominent and tall hotel block, and you can get off there by the roundabout at this bus stop. It can also be used to get back to the airport. The other option is to continue to the Arrecife bus station, shown here on the north side of the ring road. When getting the buses out in the morning for the walks, you should be at the bus station for departures between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock to ensure that you'll be back in a reasonable time in the mid-afternoon. All the bus times can be found on the website of arrecifebus.com. Ensure that you have downloaded their app for all the latest updates on travel disruptions. On Google Earth, if you activate the layer shown on the bottom left of this screenshot, the location of the bus stops are shown in a small bus symbol. Click on that symbol and the address will appear with the name of the bus stop, which can be related to the bus timetable. At the kiosk inside the bus station, you can, for a small fee, buy this card and then pay to have euros loaded to it. This enables payment to be made easily by scanning it on the bus and buy for a number of people at the same time, thereby removing the need for other types of transaction, and you get a discount. You get on the bus at the front and off at the middle. There are many restaurants in the old town and along the waterfront. On the Avenue Fred Olsen, you can also watch the sun go down over the bay while eating. Hope you enjoyed the video and look out for the next one. Feel free to subscribe, like the video and to add a comment.